Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best roll cage tubing is probably one of the most critical safety features in any motorsport vehicle, and understanding the options is key to protecting yourself. This video dives deep into the world of roll cage tubing, exploring the different materials, specifications, and considerations you need to make when building or upgrading your safety setup. We'll cover everything from the basics of DOM steel to the high-performance benefits of chromoly, ensuring you're well-informed to make the right choices. Number 5. Hydraulic tubing bender for round tubing. This hydraulic tubing bender is designed for bending round tubing up to 90 degrees. It's perfect for creating roll cages, frame crossmembers, and other chassis components. It makes the job much easier. The dies have incremental marks cast into them. This feature allows you to easily reproduce bends, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your work. It's a great tool. This bender is designed for use with mild steel tubing up to 0.110 wall thickness and chromoly tubing up to 0.096 wall thickness. It's built to handle tough jobs. It comes with one aluminum die in your choice of sizes, 1 to 1/4, 1 to 1/2, 1 to 5/8, or 1 to 3/4 inches. You can select the right size for your project. Additional 7 bend radius dies are sold separately. This allows you to expand the range of tubing sizes you can work with in the future. It's a versatile tool. What we like. This bender allows for precise and repeatable bends, crucial for roll cage construction. It offers various die sizes, giving you flexibility. If you are building a roll cage and need accuracy, this is the tool for you. What people say. Fabricating a custom front mount for an antique motorcycle sidecar. Got the multiple bends right the first time. This machine is well built. The one die I needed is plenty beefy. Number 4. Round DOM roll cage tubing, 1 to 3/4 by 0.095 inch. This is round DOM roll cage tubing. It's designed for building roll cages and other safety structures in vehicles. The tubing is made from durable steel. The tubing has a 1.75-inch outer diameter and a 0.095-inch wall thickness. This specific size is ideal for many roll cage applications. This ensures the strength and safety of the structure. It is manufactured from round 1020 DOM steel tubing. This material is known for its strength and weldability. It's a reliable choice for demanding applications. The tubing is sold in pre-cut lengths. You can choose from 3, 7, or 10-foot sections. This allows you to select the right size for your project. This tubing is perfect for roll cages, race car chassis, roll bars, bumpers, and Nerf bars. It provides the necessary protection and support. It is a versatile solution for various automotive needs. What we like. This DOM steel tubing provides superior strength and durability. It comes in pre-cut lengths, making it easy to work with. If you are looking for high-quality, ready-to-use tubing for your roll cage, consider this option. What people say. This is good clean steel tubing that came undamaged and showed up fast. Good quality tubing for the price point. This was still the cheapest price by a long shot for the quality given and the amount, and arrived fast to get the job done. Number 3. Speedway Motors 1.75 Roll Cage Swing Out Door Bar Kit. Tired of struggling to get in and out of your race car? This swing-out door bar kit makes entry and exit a breeze with its quick-release pin. It's perfect for any vehicle with a roll cage. Crafted from durable billet steel, this kit is built for the long haul. The solid 1018 alloy steel is precisely CNC machined for a perfect fit and maximum strength, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of racing. This kit is designed to fit a variety of roll cage setups. It's compatible with both 1.625-inch and 1.750-inch OD tubing, making it a versatile choice for different roll cage requirements. Safety is paramount, and this kit meets NHRA regulations when installed correctly. You can trust that it will keep you safe on the track. The kit includes everything you need for a single door bar. It comes with female and male plugs, a quick-release pin, and all necessary hardware. For dual doors, simply order 2 sets. What we like. This kit features a quick-release mechanism for easy entry and exit. It is made from durable billet steel, ensuring longevity. If you like easy access and NHRA compliance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The fit was great. Perfect fit. Fit perfect and nice quality. Number 2. Allstar Performance Roll Cage Strut Kit, All 22642. These strut bars significantly boost the rigidity and strength of your vehicle's chassis. By eliminating flex, it helps improve reaction times on the track. This kit is perfect whether you're upgrading an existing 10-point cage or building a new chassis from scratch. It's designed for versatility and ease of installation. The bars are pre-bent to fit a wide range of applications, saving you time and effort. They are designed for a straightforward installation process. The bars are 65 inches long overall with a 14-inch leg. They are made to fit a variety of vehicles. This product is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. Ensure it's the right fit for your vehicle before installation. What we like. These strut bars enhance chassis rigidity, improving your vehicle's performance. The pre-bent design simplifies installation. If you are looking to upgrade your existing cage or build a new chassis, this is a great option. What people say. The part arrived with a clean 90-degree bend. For my application this is fine, but this could be an issue for others. Number 1. Speedway Motors Roll Cage Tubing, 12340D, 0.109 wall. This roll cage tubing is engineered with a 1 to 3/4 inch diameter and a 0.109 wall thickness. It's designed to meet the demands of roll cage applications, ensuring optimal safety and performance. Made from HREW 1020 mild steel, this tubing promises longevity and exceptional performance. The sturdy material ensures the cage can withstand significant stress. The tubing comes pre-notched wherever possible, saving you time and effort. While some additional notching may be needed, it greatly simplifies the installation process. This tubing is largely pre-prepared, allowing for a smoother and quicker assembly. This feature helps you get your vehicle ready faster. The 7-foot tubing has a natural finish, blending with your vehicle's structure. It adds strength and safety to your ride. What we like. This tubing comes pre-notched, saving you time and effort during installation. It is made from high-quality mild steel, ensuring durability. If you are looking for ease of assembly and a strong roll cage, this is the product for you. What people say. Used to build roll cage for race car. Very fast shipping and great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.